My Lord, can I just make one submission? My Lord will recall that at the time when we adjourned, my Lord, I had placed on record that I asked that these documents and downloads all information relating to the cell phone confiscated to accused number 5B supplied to myself. My Lord, we had been on recess for 2 weeks, of which I could have used it to go through and to consult. However, I was not finished with that information, my Lord. I'm just placing it for record purposes. Okay. And the information was never given to me, my Lord, during recess up until we came back on the 3rd of October when we were here. And then if I'm asking for 2 days, my Lord, I will not be able to attend court and also go through this information. It means if I'm asking 2 days, it means the court will not be sitting, my Lord. As the court pleases, my Lord.
Why should the court not sit if you're busy with whatever you're busy with?
My Lord, I can't be busy on something when we are proceeding with when the other evidence is
Msololo,
there.
is it not so that you sometimes deputize an advocate to appear at your stead?
If I'm not available, yes, my Lord. Yes.
So you can't make the same arrangements?
The problem, I don't even know what type of the evidence that the state will be proceeding with at that time. I used to do that arrangement when I know exactly what kind of evidence is being dealt with, my Lord.
What is the evidence you're dealing with?
Well,
is it formal evidence?
well, my Lord, we've indicated to the defense what type of evidence we intend leading tomorrow. We've given them the list of the witnesses. It's just mainly regarding the confiscation of the phones and the chain of custody regarding those phones. That is the nature of the evidence. And just one correction, my Lord, the only document that was given to the defense on Monday, it's the report of the cell phone analyst. As far as the chain of custody that was given to the defense before we adjourned, I just wanted to correct that, my Lord.
Mr. Mnisi, you also had the same problem.
Excuse me, my Lord.
You say, I remember you also said you would like that witness to be recalled because you want to download whatever.
That is correct, my Lord. I think that has already been solved by virtue of the application by my colleague, Ms. Msololo, that when she requested that the witness should be stood down because there's some information that she wants to go through in the memory stick, particularly as it relates to the dates and time on which those photos were taken. I think we'll get into the gravy train when that opportunity avails itself, my Lord. I think that should not be a problem, my Lord. I think we'll finalize everything and then thereafter my colleague can then proceed.
You also need 2 days. You also need 2 days.
On that aspect, my Lord. My Lord, I'm not so sure whether I need to tie that aspect with the information that has already been handed to us on Monday. The point that I'm standing on, my Lord, was just to quickly address the difficulty in which we find ourselves with regard to the information that comes in drips and drabs. When we are in the middle of a trial, then we're confronted with the information that we should attend to that basically switches off our mind from what we will be busy doing at that particular time and concentrate on something that's totally different, my Lord. That's very burdensome, and it prejudices, my Lord, and it affects the manner in which we normally would prepare for the trial and for the next date, my Lord. What I'm saying to the court, my Lord, is the documents that have been handed to us on a Monday, it's just not a 1, 2, 3-pager document. These are very voluminous documents, my Lord. And it is also a bit unfair to suggest to the court that the documents are just, the witnesses that are coming to testify here will only be formal witnesses, my Lord. I had a cursory look into the document because I needed to prepare for the trial today, which is the reason why I did not meticulously go through the documents. But what I've observed in my slide approach into the documents, my Lord, is there are drawings here, this schematic representation. And then immediately what came into my mind was the fact that we need to tie this information that has been given to us on a Monday with the information that has already been laid on record by, I think it was Mr. Steenkamp, Mr. Steen, yes, Mr. Steen, the cell phone analyst, my lord. So it's not exactly what it is as it comes from the state, that is this would just be formal evidence, my lord. Having said that, my lord, I think we need to go through the documents individually as representatives of the accused here, formulate our own views and opinions, try to understand them even before we go and consult with the accused person, because we can't go and consult with the accused person even before we ourselves understand what the content of these documents are, my lord.
Okay.
On those bases, my lord, I think it will only be fair and in the best administration of, in the best interest of justice, that we be given a reasonable opportunity to go through all these documents here and the process that will therefore unfold thereafter, my lord. Thank you.
As it pleases the court, my lord, I'm not going to regurgitate what my learned colleague said. I concur fully, as the court pleases.
The court, I was going through the document. I see that my name, the name of the accused, that is my client, is being mentioned there.
It's what?
It's being mentioned. So I need to understand what is going on. I need to go first.
Does he have a phone?
My lord?
Did your client have a phone?
No, I don't know. I don't know what is going on. I don't know.
I see.
I don't know. I cannot.
Yeah,
comment.
okay. What's today, Mr. Balui? What's today?
I'm sorry, my lord.
What is today? Thursday or Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday, my lord, the 4th.
Yeah, okay, we have to accommodate the counsels here. If they say they are not yet prepared to proceed on the basis of the documentation which you have only supplied on Monday, you say?
Yes, my lord.
It may be familiar to you. They say it's not familiar to them, and they've got to link it to the evidence of the other analyst, Mr. Steenkamp. is it?
Colonel Stein.
Hello?
Colonel Stein.
Yeah, Colonel Stein. Okay, I'm not going to be facetious. Let's adjourn until Monday,
As the court pleases.
because they say they need 2 days.
That's in order.
Okay, let's adjourn until Monday for that exigency.
Can I bring my laptop on Monday and just finish the re-examination with the last witness on Monday?
I don't understand.
Can I finish my cross-examination with the last witness on Monday when we resume, my lord?
Yeah, I
First
think
thing
it
in
will
the
be ready
morning.
for the witness.
Yes.
Is that so, Mr.?
That's in.
Yeah, the witness must be one to. Where is
Thank you, my lord.
the gentleman?
senzile-ke bafethu ukuthi inkantolo icabanga ukuthi izame-ke ukuvulela isikhala labameli benu ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babheke lamaphepha abawathole eqhamuka khona laphana kumbuso kumshushisi ngomvulo. Manje-ke bayadingeka ukuthi babheke lawo maphepha ukuze bazokwazi ukuthi baqhubekiseleke ukuqula kwaleli cala phambili. Futhi lizothi ukuhlehla kancane licala, lizothi ukumiswa nje kancane ukubanikeza lelo thuba. Yazwakala?
Yeah, apparently the defense counsels, they need time to go through the papers which were only delivered to them on Monday. And these papers regard the downloading of information or data which relates, amongst others, to the cell phones of accused number 2 and 5 and others. And apparently, according to Mr. Nisi, that downloaded data is linked to data which was dealt with in this court by another analyst. So they need time to reconcile that information, understand it, and thereafter consult with their clients. Okay.
Yeah.
Will you be available Monday?
I will be available, my lord.
How are you Natalia for this part?
I'll be here on
Okay.
Monday, my lord.
Monday then.
Can I consider move up here Monday?